Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This was done the same way, but if you look, every other one is different. Where this one, it looks, I didn't do any different, but the circles continue from every double leaf. Pretty easy to draw. We're just going to start from scratch. I drew a bunch of circles out, but I'm going to take an ellipse, Control D, and then move it over to get that shape that I've done 100 times. We're going to get the Smart Fill tool and fill it in. Then we'll move it to the center of the page, which really doesn't matter now, but I'm going to Control D. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to delete that. I'm going to make this into that. So I'll left click, right click, Control D, and then move the rotation to the center. I didn't get it. So a lot of times I'll come off of it and it should just snap right to that note. Now I'm going to rotate it. There's like pretty close to 22.5 degrees. So I got 22.5 degrees. So now I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool to fill that in. And I don't want to really do it. Well, you know what? I can do that. I'm going to left click, right click, because I want two of them. I'm going to Control D, double click on the rotation and rotate it 22.5 degrees. So I have two of them now, but they're separated. Now, all I did was make an ellipse with some smaller circles. And what you want to remember is do not ever nudge these guys. So that's a pretty good place to put it. This is one group of circles, so I'm going to select both of them, and the intersect tool works. And then I can move that over. And then on this one, I can actually, let me get rid of that. I'm going to nudge it in case I mess up and have to start over. So now I'm going to nudge this one, but I want it like, I can move this, so I'm going to put it over there. And now I can intersect this. Whoop, what did I do wrong? And I get that. That's somewhat cool, a little different. Now we rotated, so I'm going to go ahead and Control G, Control D, and we rotated 22.5, but now we got two of them. So we're going to get it on that intersection, and we're going to rotate it 45 degrees now, and then Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Let's make them all yellow. So I'm just going to select it all and right click yellow. Let's get in a black box, make it black. Order back a page. So it's even totally different than the other two I did because the circles are going completely in the opposite direction on every other one. Like this one is almost sunk up with a curve, and this one is just a little bit of variance at the curve, but because wherever you place it on that circle is going to be your key. Anyway, hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.